So today we're going kayaking, and my brother and my mom are in the same one for right now, and they're having kind of a hard time because they're new to this. And yeah, so after half an hour, me and my dad will be going in there, but for right now we're videotaping these two noobs to kayaking. And yeah, they're getting nowhere. Yep. I'm out of stuff to say. Well, I guess I can zoom in here. Yeah.
You can just laugh at him a little too.
Hey John, nothing.
Hi. Call me John.
Jonathan.
John.
Jonathan. Wait.
It just sounds babyish to call me Jonathan. Just call me John. It sounds babyish when you call me Jonathan. Yep. Oh boy, I can't zoom in anymore. I'm gonna move somewhere so I can get a better view. You know what, I'll just cover the camera for a minute. Believe it or not, that's my finger making that gigantic red thing. I'm just trying to get a better view of them.
That's hard.
Okay, so I'm finally at a better place. That's them right there. Uh-oh, they're about to bump into another one. They hit each other. How stupid are they? Wow. So this is... What's this place called? Yeah, so we're at Centennial Park. Yup. Look, there's a... That one's really long. That's a pretty long boat. It's definitely longer than my mom and brother's boat. Doo-doo-doo. Believe it or not, my brother's taller. Okay, I don't know what else to record. So, I guess this is it. Okay. Peace.